show you something. When you start the car, is an E-Class, and then when you just read over there and then you start driving it, you see it says hood open. So guys, I'm just going to drive it around like this. Then I'm going to show you what's the problem with the hood open thing. Alright, and then I'll tell you the problem and the solution for it. So what I do, guys, I just turn off the car. Once that is done, I just come down here, and then I just guys, the opener is right here, and then the hood just pops up, guys. So once that's done, all this happens, guys, just come right down here. Yes, this thing out of the way, and then here we are. So here, guys, the thing is open, and this one too, the thing is open. Guys, I take this thing. So you see, guys, it's locked. It's locked too from here, locked. And then when I come inside, guys, I've already locked it very well. So it had time for me to drive away. So still the thing is popping up. It's telling me the hood is still open. So guys, it's telling me my hood, and my hood is locked, guys. It's telling me my hood is open. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it up in a moment. Yeah, it's telling me the hood is open. So guys, I figured out what the problem is. I open this thing right here. So once that is done, guys, the problem is right here. So you look for something like this with the hook, with the hooky part. And when you look down there, you just put it like that. Okay. Just put it like that, and then you bring it up. You bring this thing right up. Guys, it locks. Make sure it locks here. Make sure it locks on this side, and then this thing should be good to go. So that when this thing goes down, it taps on that thing inside here, then it will tell the hood is locked. So I'm just gonna put like that. Then guys, we're gonna drive the car for a minute to see if the hood thing is telling us it's open or it's gone. So the car starts like that. So drive. So guys, the thing is telling me my hood is okay. So that, guys, fixes the problem. So I hope really that helps you out, guys. With that, I'm sure you guys be able to fix the problems. Alright guys, see you next time. Leave a like and subscribe, and leave any comment about this.